Full case of definitive. 2020 definitive, of course. They're the teams. We did random teams this time. Combos are Orioles, Rangers, Rockies, Marlins, Tigers, Royals, Twins, Diamondbacks, Rays, Pirates. Yeah, I don't like them, Joe, for the most part. Some of them look okay. Wow. Yeah, that's interesting. How many of those are they doing? It seems like there's new ones like every day. There's been like hundreds of them. Inside of those definitive cases always has a bunch of dust. Yes, Matty G. Sorry, we had Mets for Cardinals trade as well. First card is a Stephen Piscotty patch. 15 of 20. John Boy. Your Oakland A's. Yeah, I love that patch. I like the Oakland color scheme. Especially the lighter colors. The lighter green jerseys with the gold accent. JT Real Muto patch. Golgari. Juan Marichal for the Giants, 24/50. UCCF. Yeah, the 70s Oakland ones are beautiful. They work too. They won 3 World Series. Oh, cool. Christian Yelich, framed auto, 9 of 30. Eggman, your Brewers. That in a one touch. Nice one. Dual auto for the Red Sox, JD Martinez and Chris Sale. Guacamole. Wade Boggs, relic auto to 25. We Romania, you Rays Pirates. Yeah, the Reds vests. Kozlowski wouldn't wear an undershirt for. Dylan Cease. Brandon W. Then a silhouette patch auto to 10, George Springer. Eggman, your Astros. Nice patch. Yeah, not really, Joe. He's a really good player, too. I feel like last year he was like, had started to have kind of a down year or whatever, but he hit over 300 again last year. Cabrera played quite a bit in the field, though. Definitely more than Ortiz and Edgar Martinez, I thought. Unless I'm misremembering that. Yeah, he's been good for a long time now, JD Martinez. James Paxton to 35 relic. UCCF. Aquino, rookie relic to 50. UCCF. Nice Nolan Ryan, 16 of 25. Eggman, your Astros. Framed patch auto, Xander Bogaerts to 10. Man, I love the look of the framed patch autos this year. Guacamole, awesome one. Wow. Altuve and Jordan. How about this Astros break? Dual auto. Eggman, you're loading up on the Astros. Bernie Williams, 1 of 5. UCCF. Relic auto. Dustin May to 50. Rookie auto. Really great. Paul Goldschmidt. Silhouette to 30. Matty G. There's a Cardinal for you. Feels like we're due like a Jeter, Ichiro, Trout level hit in this box here. Maybe a Koufax. Have we had a Koufax yet? Is he in 2020? We've had several Hank Aaron's. I don't think we have a helmet piece. Not from Definitive, Joe. Oh, here we go. Here's a 1 of 1. Lucas Giolito. Brandon W. Your White Sox. Giolito 1 of 1. I love the letter patch 1 of 1s. I always have. The top's in the name and these. Oh yeah. They're from the Players Weekend. Bigfoot. Aquino. Patch this time to 15. UCCF. Johnny Bench, 1 of 5. More Reds, UCCF. Nomar. 14 of 50. Guacamole. Yeah, a lot of interesting Reds, and we got Rays and Brewers hits and stuff. Frank Thomas and Eloy, 2 of 5. A few White Sox hits too, Brandon W. That's a fun one. I loved Frank Thomas. Griffey was number 1 and Frank Thomas was number 2 when I was a kid, for me. Ooh, speak of the devil, there's a good one. Jeez, he's on the Reds in this too. Griffey, 15 of 15 with 2 pinstripes. UCCF, this must be one of the best Reds breaks of a high-end product in CSB history. Beauty. I love that card. Redemption. Wow, White Sox too. A green Robert. Brandon W. What are the greens to? 50? 25? I don't remember. And Yelich, jeez. A couple of Yeliches too. This one's to 25. The rookie auto probably is the same. Eggman, your second Yelich. Well, we got a couple of real good ones. Griffey. I have the Giolito 1 of 1. Yelich framed auto. I didn't have another 180-point one touch. I'll put that in a one touch too, though. Xander for Guacamole.